Hello, Chicken Gang. This is the real reason why China and Germany is the first foreign soil Tesla chose to set up their factory. Do you think the governments were like,
Hey Tesla, please come in and destroy our industries.
Germany is the heart of big auto like VW, Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Porsche. It's a big market, and China has the biggest electric vehicle market. And if you think you are young and naive and the whole world is all flowers, it's not so simple. Be prepared to have your heart broken. My heart is numb and dead. I can't feel shit anymore. The only time it comes alive is when a hot girl passes me or a cute dog scrolling along. You think about it, what brings nation power? Wealth. How do you get wealth? You make stuff and you sell stuff. The more you make, the more you sell, the more powerful the nation becomes. I remember during my teens, I seen a lot of Japanese tourists, and now we have lots of Chinese tourists. Japan at one point was making so much stuff, the same for Germany, America, and now it's China. Everything is made in China. When manufacturing goes up, the ripple effect long term is more political power. So new industries create plenty of wealth. So towards the end of the video, I'll predict 2 future industries Tesla will venture into. So meanwhile, I appreciate a thumbs up. It helps reach more people. Thank you. So here's the problem. China was making EVs nobody wanted to buy, and Germany automakers was slacking off. China has goals of zero emissions and the biggest manufacturing hub of the world. Looking back at its own industry is like looking at your own kids thinking what the hell they are doing. Germany also knew that if they didn't do anything, they will be in big trouble. Germany is essentially funding EU, and it's a big problem. So the solution is pretty simple. Introduce an apex predator. When you put an apex predator in, you look at the African safari. Do you see a sheep walking around or a fat ass llama sunbathing? You do not. By the way, llama in Mandarin is called 操你妈. In open economies that allow for more foreign talent, the local standards of workforce becomes higher because competition. Humans are naturally lazy and wants an easy life, etc. I mean, who doesn't want? When apex predators are introduced, it brings the standards of everybody up. Remember when taxis were a pain, expensive, and never there when you needed them? The introduction of Uber changed everything. If you think about companies that make stuff to sell, manufacturing on a large scale, Tesla is the largest. The smartest governments will do anything to get Tesla in at any cost. You go to finviz.com and you click on screener and sort according to market cap. Apple outsources to China. Then there's Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, and that outdating investing company that doesn't make stuff. Closest to Tesla is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductors, by the way, amazing company. Wrapping up, if you hear some donkeys talk about China risk to Tesla or plenty of regulatory risk in EU, I have an opposing opinion. Regulatory risk is the least of my concern. Tesla will for years have a win-win working relationship, reaping plenty of profits. And this is my prediction. By 2025, Tesla will have too much cash on hand with all that profits, and I'm sure they will do something with it. They may start another capex intensive industry like the VTOL aircraft or solar boats with SpaceX stainless steel hulls. The future is exciting, and Tesla makes life exciting. Life should be forward looking because time only moves forward. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, invest safe.